So today we're going to look at how to add a new slide in Google Slides, and there are three different ways that you can do this. So firstly, if we go over to the left hand side where our slides are, if you right click, you'll display the context menu, and if you go across down just above halfway, you'll notice it says new slide, which we can click, and that adds a new slide that we can then begin to start typing in. Another way to quickly add a slide is if you just press the Control and M keys at the same time, it will add a new slide to your presentation the same way. And finally, the last way we can do it is if you go to the menu along the top and go to slide, you can press new slide there. So that's three different ways that you can add a slide into a Google Slides presentation.